Namaskar, dear students. Today we will study about different modes of asexual reproduction. Before starting this topic, let us quickly recapitulate the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, rapid mode of multiplication, single parent is required, new individual produce are genetically similar, no fertilization takes place. Whereas in sexual reproduction, not rapid mode of multiplication, two parents, male and female, are required. New individuals produce, show variation, and fertilization takes place. In class 8, we have studied about fertilization, that in fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete takes place. Now, modes of asexual reproduction. Different modes are fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation, and spore formation. Today we will study about three modes of asexual reproduction. Number one is fission. Basically, fission is divided into two main parts, binary and multiple. Binary means division into two and multiple means division into many. It is the process of reproduction by which splitting of a unicellular organisms into two or more than two separate daughter cells take place. Binary fission. It is the type of fission in which the parent organism divides into two, binary means two, identical daughter organisms. Binary fission can be seen in organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, etc. In organism like Leishmania, binary fission occurs in a definite orientation in relation to their structure. Example of binary fission in amoeba, mature amoeba, fast multiplication is there, and in this case nucleus divides, that is nuclear division is there, and this amoeba will be divided into two daughter cells. Next is multiple fission. It is a type of fission in which the parent organism divides into many identical daughter cells at the same time. For example, Plasmodium, malarial parasite. See what happens here. Plasmodium, साइटोप्लाज्म, प्रोटेक्टिव वॉल, न्यूक्लियस. इस प्लाज्मोडियम में भी न्यूक्लियर डिवीज़न है. न्यूक्लियस अंदर माइटोटिकली डिवाइड करते हैं और बहुत सारे न्यूक्लिया बहुत सारे सेल्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. आउटर हार्ड वॉल का फॉर्मेशन होता है जिसको सिस्ट कहते हैं, और जैसे ही फेवरेबल कंडीशन मिलती है सिस्ट ब्रेक होता है और बहुत सारे डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई एट अ टाइम रिलीज होते हैं. तो दिस इज मल्टीपल फिशन इन प्लाज्मोडियम. Now next type of mode of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Example is Spirogyra, which is a type of multicellular algae. Spirogyra, which upon maturation break up into two or more small fragments or pieces, and each fragment subsequently grows to form a complete new organism. Spirogyra, जब स्पायरोगैरा मैच्योर होता है तो अपनी बॉडी को छोटे छोटे फ्रेगमेंट्स, पीसेस में डिवाइड कर लेता है और हर एक पीस न्यू इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो दिस इज फ्रेगमेंटेशन इन स्पायरोगायरा. Now third is regeneration. It is a type of asexual reproduction in fully differentiated organisms in which the development of a new organism from just a broken or cut part of parent organism takes place. For example, Hydra and Planaria. Regeneration process में mature parent अपने आप से अपने बॉडी को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में कट कर लेता है और उसका जो ब्रोकन पार्ट है हर एक पार्ट न्यू इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म में कन्वर्ट होता है. लाइक दिस इज डायग्राम ऑफ प्लेनेरिया. प्लेनेरिया अपने को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगा और हर एक पार्ट न्यू इंडिविजुअल प्लेनेरिया में कन्वर्ट होगा. तो दैट इज रीजनरेशन इन प्लेनेरिया.